Hello dear students, welcome back in the 8th class chapter of Geography, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In the previous videos, we have come to know about the definition of forest and types of forest. As you can see on the screen also that there are many types of forest: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, coniferous forest, mountain forest and mangrove forest. And in the previous video, we have come to know about the features of the evergreen forest, deciduous forest. And today we are going to know about the features of the Mediterranean forest. So let us see what are the features of the Mediterranean forest. The Mediterranean forests are there on western margin of the continents between 30° and 40° north and south of the equator. मेडिटेरियन फॉरेस्ट भूमध्य सागरीय वन जो हैं वो पश्चिमी मार्जिन्स ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट्स के पश्चिमी मार्जिन्स में पश्चिमी हाशिए पर पाए जाते हैं between 20° and 30° north and south of the equator. Next is these regions have wet winters and hot summers. इन क्षेत्रों में जो सर्दी होती है वो नमी वाली होती है और जो गर्मी होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म दिन होते हैं वहाँ पर इन क्षेत्रों के अंदर. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ with high amount of sunshine, the plant's growth is in profusion. Profusion means a lot of. यहाँ पर सूर्य की धूप काफ़ी मात्रा में पड़ती है और इसलिए जो प्लांट ग्रोथ होती है दैट इज़ इन द अबंडेंस और यू कैन से प्रोफेशन और लॉट ऑफ. बहुत मात्रा में अच्छी जो है प्लांट ग्रोथ होती है. मेन ट्रीज आर cork, oak, olive and pine. Here the main trees are found that are cork, oak, olive and pine. And the animals that are found here, Iberian lynx, barberry and mackay are common animals found here. So in this way, we have today come to know about the features of the Mediterranean forest, Bhumatiya Sagriya 1. Again, see these forests are found on the western margins of the continents between 30° and 40° north and south of the equator. Second is these regions have wet winters and hot summers. With high amount of sunshine, the plant growth is in profusion. Main trees are cork, oak, olive and pine. The animals found here are Iberian lynx, barberry and mackay are common animals. So in the next video, we will come to know about the features of the coniferous forest. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. God bless you.